Okay, here we are back in the backyard at Hornville here, and I got the Nathan K5LA off of the New Haven FL9 number 2011 for Mass Coastal Railroad and Cape Cod Scenic Railroad. This one kind of sounded like duty. And the first thing when I got up there and started to pull it apart, I'm looking and I'm like, oh, somebody's played with it before. Got it home and I got the snow cones off it finally. And they used Cork Gaskets instead of the O-rings. The Cork Gaskets here. Some of them are good, some of them there was nothing left. And I noticed that the number 1 bell was loose. And the water was getting in between the gasket and the horn, and there's one reason it wasn't sounding very pure. And the other thing I noticed was it had one back cap on the number 5 bell, had a broken bolt to start out, so the back cap wasn't sitting properly anyway. That could be another reason this horn wasn't sounding off properly. So I went around all the back caps with a wrench, crack the bolts loose not to break them with the impact. I'll spin them out. We're going to see what looks on the inside of these chambers. The other thing I noticed, Conrail blue. And somebody did a really nasty epoxy paint job on these bells. And it has more runs than the Boston Marathon. Okay, here we go. 5 bell. Okay, not too bad. Little corrody, not much of a ridge, not bad. Little corrosion. That was stuck. Wasn't too bad. A little flexible. There's the number 5 bell. Let's go to the 4A. Let me put this where everybody can see it, might help, huh? Not too bad, little corrosion, but acceptable. Same thing, not too bad. A little pitted around the edge of the diaphragm, but that's aluminum stuck to the stainless, I think. There we go. Little stuck, pretty flexible. They don't look too bad. Definitely look reusable. Okay, there's number 4A, and now we got the number 3. Clean. It's had a little moisture sitting in it. Little corrosion, not too bad. Okay, somebody's cleaned this one up before. I can see all the scratches in it, like bad scratches. I can actually almost feel them with my fingernail. Rubber's not bad, little pitted, still reusable. Okay, number 1, another Drip Master. Conrail blue, Cork gasket still stuck to it. It looks like it might have been leaking air a little bit right there. It's pretty close. Doesn't look like it was very tight. Same thing with that one, all corroded up. Whole bunch of junk, like that's the, I can't even, it's like a metal, like it was like rust, like somebody was grinding or something, and the cone was full of little pieces of rust. This stuff's like rock hard. Okay, corrosion, not bad. Nozzle's nice and clean, not pitted. See if we can't get this thing apart here. Oh, there's a big stuck one. Wow. It's one thing I learned, when they're stuck like this, they don't sound good. They don't vibrate good. Not too bad. Looking at this one, it was turned at one time. Somebody cleaned it up with probably 80 grit sandpaper. Little pitted. This thing's been flipped a few times. Okay, that's the 2 bell. Okay, there we go. Number 2 bell. Okay, granddaddy of them all, number 1. Had a sticker up on it at one time. That got peeled off, chiseled off or something. This is the one that was all corroded and loose. And clean it up. I'm going to use the O-rings instead of the gaskets. And I like to use the silicone paste with the O-rings and give the whole machine surface where it bolts down on both the manifold and the horn with silicone paste, the diuretic grease there. Okay. Well, that one, the diaphragms weren't stuck in the cap anyway. Cap don't look too bad. Let me write a number 1 on it here. You know which one's which. Okay. Not too bad. Had a little moisture going. Are we stuck? Well, I got it. It's stuck, but not bad. Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Well, there you have it. Oh, sorry about that. A little bit of dirt inside the nozzle here. Little corrosion on it. Not bad. So hopefully I'll clean this all up. I'm going to get a hold of the railroad, see if they want me to repaint it or not, or just leave the paint alone. That's going to be their call on that. I'm going to send this video over to the guy that I work with the horns at Mass Coastal, and let him know and go from there. Alrighty. Critter wants to show you one of his friends. Way out. You gotta hold him way out, buddy. Hang on. Now you can always see him. Let's see. Right there. That's Bigfoot, Littlefoot, Barefoot Bear. On the happy note. Okay, everybody. Have a monster day. We'll see ya. Get this one back together as quick as I can here. Right now, this locomotive, the 2011, has the RS5T that I rebuilt sitting up on top of it. So when we go back to switch the horns, put this one back on the 2011, we're also going to do a sound test of the RS5T while it's up on the locomotive. And hopefully I'll be able to post how you do the sound tests for the locomotives when the horns are on them. Because I know there's a few people that ask me about that, and I'm going to learn. Alrighty. Everybody, monster day, happy day, and may the horns be with you.